Welcome back, gardening spirit boosters. I hope that my gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. And the Granny Goose draws is going on. Why did this happen to my beautiful bright colored red tomato? Hey, gardening spirit boosters, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, coming back with a garden update. Some of you might not know, but I am now supporting content creators on Saturdays and Thursdays because I want to try and make sure I get as many, content creators support as possible. I am mostly doing a lot of content creators that are on my channel supporting me, but I will go through my playlist, my garden friend playlist, and pick out more content creators and go visit their channels. It's a lot, and hopefully it'll get them motivated to start coming back and supporting my channel as well. We got to do it together, you guys. Every view counts. Thumbs up. And if you're mountainized, the more coins in your pocket, the more supporters that come and view your video. So don't forget to support others. All right, what are you guys looking at? You're looking at some tomatoes that I picked from my tomato plants on the balcony garden out there. They look pretty good, right? But I'm going to show you the 2 or 3 of them that are kind of damaged, and I want you guys opinion on what the heck happened and why it happened. I should have my glasses on. This one, you can see what it looks like there. It looks like it's split and some kind of old crazy stuff going on, but underneath it has a hole in it. You can see that good. It looked like a hole, like something might be in there. My husband telling me to cut it open and see, which I will. But with a hole like that, I don't know, some could be stabbed it or growing and living in there. So this one might not get eaten. But what do you guys, have you ever had a tomato with such issues on it? Let me know. Now this one is my best tomato of all that came off the tomato plant. Now, all of my tomatoes I'm getting off my tomato plants are going to be dehydrated, made in tomato powder or dried tomato slices that I use in my tomatoey dishes. Yum, yum. That was my good one. Now, this one has an old nasty sore on it. You can see what kind of disease is this, you guys that grow tomatoes and have probably had an issue like this. Let me know. And others that watch this video and in the comment, since you guys don't have those sneaky glitches that mess up your dang productivity on your channel, and you can comment and write and say all you want in your comments, please let Miss Janita know what kind of sore is this. It looked like an ulcer. Please say so. It's beautiful on top. Oh, I wish it was so perfect. Perfect, beautiful tomato on the top. But underneath it has an ulcer, a sore, some kind of disease. So if you know what it is, please let me know. Now here comes 2 more. Look at these guys. These 2 in the front. Beautiful, right? But they have an issue like the other one, but it's worse. So let me share. It's like a horror movie. Bam! What the hell is this? Can somebody please share with me, why did this tomato get a big old ulcer, sore on it? It's disgusting. Why did this happen? It wasn't sitting in water. What, is something living in there? Because this is about to go in the trash. Excuse me, guys. Hold up. Yep, that one's about to go in the trash. Let me turn it over And there's two of them got full, more than the other one that just had a small ulcer, sore disease on it. What the heck? And the granny goose draws is going on. Why did this happen to my beautiful bright colored red tomato? What am I doing wrong to get such a nasty disease on my tomato? Somebody got to help me. Can it be you? Please help Miss Janita. And I thank you for it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to support the other gardening content creators on here. If you support me, support others. If you're monetized, don't forget to support others so they can come to your channel and help you get those coins, money. You need views, lots of them, at least 1,000 to get paid. Did you know that? You need 1,000 views to get paid, more money. So don't shut people out. Help others. Support. And remember, Miss Janita is having trouble with comments, sneaky glitches on here. YouTube sneaky glitches. Sneaking in, stopping productivity of my beautiful content. And hopefully one day somebody will have a good heart and help clean this up so I can write comments and not just leave emojis. But remember, when I'm leaving emojis in a number, that's the number of likes that when I hit your button, that's what number I am. Spread the word, let folks know. If you don't have the number thing turned on where you have a number, just thumbs up. I'll just give you more thumbs up. Please, the English speaking ones, please translate to the ones that don't speak English what's going on. I am sneaky glitched. I don't know why, but I have to say these things for any new subscribers, but I won't keep saying it because I get tired myself. But I just had to let y'all know. All right, have a great gardening day. Thanks for coming back. Don't forget, support. And don't forget, on Saturdays, my collab, you share your stories about how your plants are doing and stuff. Please join. I'm begging y'all, join the collab on Saturday. Please let Miss Janita know and others how your plants, you got good plant stories, bad plant stories. Bye. Thanks for your time and support.